So my name's James Cottrell and I'm the Repair Centre Manager for Capital S.M.A.R.T Repairs in Penrose. Well, my family mean absolutely everything to me. You know, I'm a lucky man. I work hard for them to give them the best start in life.
My name's Carly Nicolay. I am an on-the-job trainer and support role for Capital S.M.A.R.T Repairs. I train new starters all over Australia and New Zealand.
My name is Robert McCowie. I'm a spray painter at Capital S.M.A.R.T. Been married for 2 years. My daughter, she's 8 years old.
Okay, one more time here.
We hang out on the weekends, even just hanging out at the mall.
Bye, Sam. Thank you, Box.
Love you. Have a good day.
So I've always wanted to aspire to be the trainer and help others.
Australia's home for me now, so I love it here.
Some days I look in the shop and a certain vehicle will come in and a couple of hours go by, you know, it's in the paint booth. It's just really, really smart the way it works. You know, I've had customers where they need to go and see a sick relative and they want the car back, and we've just made it happen in less than a day. It's just fantastic.
I've been with Capital for going on 2 years now, and I started off as a paint prepper and I moved up to a spray painter.
Hey gentlemen, how are we? Hope we had a good weekend. We've got a fantastic team. I mean, the core of the team have been there from day one. So the guys take pride in what they do. They're there because they want to be there. It's just a fantastic bunch of guys which would do anything for each other, and they do on a daily basis.
Bad, right?
I think it all comes down to teamwork. Everyone just gets involved, help each other out, and just focus on the job at hand.
Hello there, how are you?
Good, thanks. How's it going?
Good. Dropping off your car today?
Yes.
You know, they supply us all our work gear, you know, spray guns, spray suits. I think even lunch is supplied.
Okay, Linda, let's go have a look at your car. So whereabouts is the reported damage on the car?
It's on the back of the
on the
bumper.
back? Okay. Here he is, this is Peter.
Hi, how's it going?
Nice to meet you.
There's our damage there, Pete.
So I'll just circle the damage there. We have that ready within 3 days, which should be ready by Friday, so
Awesome.
not bad.
Alright, thanks
Okay,
so much.
no problem.
Now it's a tray underneath there, the lower tray, it's like a splash tray, which is going to arrive from Singapore, sort of deformed around the center. Capital S.M.A.R.T really look after their employees. They really do care about them, their well-being. They've realised that the people on the floor are actually what make the company so good. So they nurture and look after the guys.
So the culture at Capital S.M.A.R.T is alive. We all work together as one, as a team, both back of house and front of house. There's, you know, it's not just all serious, there is, you know, banter going on. But when the work's there to be done, we all knuckle down and do that, get the job done. And it looks like your car will be ready from tomorrow afternoon. Yeah, so we'll give you a call once it's ready. Okay, thank you, bye.
3-day turnaround. They drop it off, pick it up in 3 days. I think it's pretty quick compared to the other guys, other companies.
we're growing. People want to come to work for Capital S.M.A.R.T.
Get the car.
Yes, you take keys.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It's all fixed. Yay!
Good day today, mate.
Capital S.M.A.R.T ways. We all finish together, we all lock the door, we all clean up together, and that's what gets us through on a daily basis. It's a fantastic thing to see. I just want to keep working hard, watch the company grow, get the feedback, and change the industry, which we are doing.
Every car has a person. Every person has a name. Every name has a story. The S.M.A.R.T story is about you.